right? Music affects the mind in two different ways. It affects the mind in terms of structure. So if I do, it is affecting you in a particular way, but if I do is affecting you in a totally different way, right? One is a structural affectation, the second is an emotional affectation, right? Especially if I play songs like this, again, I'm going to give my age away because this is one of my favorite songs of me when I was young. Affects you both structurally and emotionally. Similarly, the experience of spaces affects you structurally and emotionally. It's what I wanted you to take away from that. Finally, another great design idea is disrupting spaces, right? You take a square and you break it. It gives you a totally different shape. You take an apple and you bite it, gives you a totally different shape. How do you disrupt spaces? So in music, most of music works on very simple space principles. You have the principle of a square. Can anybody tell me the definition of a square? Or should I cold call? Don't say the definition is this. I also know that one. What is a square?
It's a four-sided figure.
Four-sided figure, okay.
All 90 degrees.
All sides are equal and
90 degrees.
at right angles to each other. Okay, great. So we are agreed on that. So how could I create the same idea on the piano? So what I would do is take four sides, right, and then make them at right angles to each other. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. I can create a rectangle. I can create a triangle. Equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. Right angle triangle. Right? Circles. How do I create a circle on a piano? How? Okay. Simple trick, right? Is okay. What is that line that cuts across the center of the circle and divides it into two equal halves? Okay. So I could put my thumb on the center of the circle, radius of 5. Actually, this is exactly the way you do it. Two semicircles would make a circle. Twice the radius is the diameter. So it's taking from the coordinates of music. So I could take that and disrupt the flow and create a melody. And that's how actually a melody is born, because I'm disrupting a predictable flow. In the final reckoning, the art of the flow is that design is common, proportions are common, predictability of the human experience is common, whether it is architecture, whether it is music, whether it is geometry, everything in life finally ends up being interconnected. And the experience of music is not just about enjoying something in a romantic setting or enjoying something. It is the experience of music is actually the experience of perfection. And with that, I am done. Okay. What's the time?